Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Listening Room.
We are very happy you are here today.
Today, we are traveling through Oita Prefecture.
Oita is famous for hot springs, quiet towns, mountains, and local food.
We will use slow and easy English.
So you can enjoy the trip and practice listening at the same time.
Our theme today is relaxation, nature, tradition, and warm local flavor.
Please listen for useful phrases you can use when you travel.
Do not worry if you do not understand everything.
Just relax, listen slowly, and enjoy Oita with us.
Let's start our slow English journey.
Here we go to Oita.
Our first stop is Beppu Onsen.
Steam rises from many places in the city.
It makes the whole city feel warm and alive.
I can really see why people come here to relax.
A useful phrase is, "This place feels relaxing."
That means the place gives you a calm and comfortable feeling.
Beppu feels relaxing, but it also has energy.
The steam makes the view very special.
Can I say, the steam gives the town character?
Yes, character means a special personality or charm.
So, Beppu has a very strong character.
Exactly. It is not just a hot spring town.
It is a place where steam, people, and history meet.
That is a beautiful way to describe Beppu.
Next, we visit the famous Beppu Hills.
The word hell sounds scary, but these places are sightseeing hot springs.
The colors are amazing.
Some ponds are blue and some look red or cloudy.
A useful phrase is, "The colors make the scenery dramatic."
Dramatic means strong, impressive, and full of impact.
This scenery is dramatic, but also beautiful.
Yes, it shows the power of nature.
Can we say, nature is close here?
Yes, it means you can feel nature very strongly around you.
The steam, the color, and the heat all tell a story.
That is a nice expression. Tell a story.
It means the place gives us a feeling, not just information.
The Beppu Hells definitely tell a powerful story.
Now we are in Yufuin.
Yufuin has a soft and peaceful atmosphere.
The mountain, the shops, and the small streets feel gentle together.
This town is easy to enjoy slowly.
A useful phrase is, "This town has a gentle atmosphere."
Atmosphere means the feeling or mood of a place.
Yufuin has a gentle atmosphere.
That is perfect.
I like how the scenery does not feel too busy.
Good point. You can say, it has a slow rhythm.
A slow rhythm means the place feels calm and unhurried, right?
Exactly. It is a very useful travel expression.
Yufuin has a slow rhythm and a gentle atmosphere.
That sentence describes Yufuin very well.
This is Kinrin Lake in Yufuin.
The water is quiet, and the air feels fresh.
I can see the trees reflected in the lake.
Reflected means we can see an image on the surface of water or glass.
A useful phrase is, the lake reflects the quiet mood of the town.
That is a beautiful sentence.
It means the lake shows the calm feeling of Yufuin.
Yes, the word reflect can be used in a poetic way.
This is a good place to take a slow walk.
I agree. The view invites us to slow down.
The view invites us to slow down. I like that phrase.
It means the scenery naturally makes us feel relaxed.
Kinrin Lake invites us to slow down.
That is a perfect travel sentence.
Our next stop is Usa Jingu Shrine.
This shrine has a deep and peaceful atmosphere.
The red buildings look beautiful against the green forest.
Against means one thing looks clear because of what is behind it.
So I can say, the red shrine stands out against the green forest.
Yes, stand out means to be easy to notice.
This place feels respectful and calm.
That is a good way to say it.
A useful phrase is, this place has a sacred feeling.
Sacred means connected to religion or something very important.
Usa Jingu has a sacred feeling.
Yes, and the forest makes that feeling stronger.
The forest quietly protects the shrine.
That is another beautiful description.
Now we travel to the Kunisaki Peninsula.
This area has mountains, temples, and old stone statues.
It feels very quiet and spiritual.
Spiritual means connected to the heart, mind, or faith.
A useful phrase is, the landscape feels spiritual.
Landscape means the natural view of an area.
The mountains make the temples feel hidden and special.
That is a strong sentence.
Can I say, the mountains add depth to the history?
Yes, add depth means to make something feel richer and more meaningful.
The mountains add depth to the history of Kunisaki.
Very nice. That sounds natural and thoughtful.
This is a place for quiet discovery.
Yes, not loud, but very memorable.
Next, we come to Kokonoe Yume Otsurihashi Bridge.
This bridge crosses a wide mountain valley.
The view is open and powerful.
A useful phrase is, the view opens up in front of us.
That means the scenery suddenly becomes wide, right?
Exactly. It is useful for mountains, oceans, and viewpoints.
The view opens up in front of us here.
Yes, and the bridge adds excitement to the scene.
Add excitement is a good phrase.
It means something makes the experience more exciting.
The bridge adds excitement to the mountain view.
Perfect. That sentence is easy and useful.
Oita has many quiet places, but this one feels thrilling.
That contrast makes the trip more interesting.
Now, we are at Harajiri Falls.
The waterfall is wide and very impressive.
The sound of the water feels strong but refreshing.
Refreshing means it makes you feel new, clean, and comfortable.
A useful phrase is, the waterfall feels refreshing.
Yes, you can also say, the sound of water is refreshing.
The sound of water is refreshing.
Very good.
This place feels different from the hot spring areas.
Yes, it shows another side of Oita.
Another side means a different part or different charm, right?
Exactly. Oita has many sides.
Hot springs, mountains, shrines, and waterfalls.
That variety makes Oita a rich travel destination.
Next, we visit Hita Mameda.
This old town has traditional houses and quiet streets.
It feels like walking through an older time.
A useful phrase is, this town preserves the feeling of the past.
Preserve means to keep something safe or unchanged, right?
Yes, it is useful when talking about old buildings or culture.
Mameda Machi preserves the feeling of the past.
Exactly. The street is quiet, but it has a lot to say.
I like that phrase. It has a lot to say.
It means the place has history, memories, and meaning.
The old houses have a lot to say.
That sounds natural and warm.
This town is not loud, but it stays in your heart.
That is a very nice way to describe Hita.
Finally, let's enjoy Oita local food.
Oita has many comforting dishes.
I see toriten, karaage, dangojiru, and kabosu.
Toriten is chicken tempura, and it is very popular here.
A useful phrase is, this dish has a comforting taste.
Comforting means it makes you feel warm, relaxed, and happy.
This dish has a comforting taste.
Good. You can use that for many local foods.
Kabosu adds a fresh flavor.
Yes, add a fresh flavor is very useful.
Kabosu adds a fresh flavor to the food.
Perfect. That sounds simple and natural.
Oita food feels warm, local, and easy to love.
That is a delicious ending to our trip.
Now, let's review today's useful English phrases.
First, this place feels relaxing.
This place feels relaxing.
It means the place makes you feel calm and comfortable.
Next, the colors make the scenery dramatic.
Dramatic means strong and impressive.
The colors make the scenery dramatic.
Good. Next, this town has a gentle atmosphere.
This town has a gentle atmosphere.
Atmosphere means the feeling or mood of a place.
Next, the view invites us to slow down.
It means the scenery naturally makes us feel relaxed.
The view invites us to slow down.
Next, the shrine stands out against the green forest.
The shrine stands out against the green forest.
Stand out means to be easy to notice.
Next, the view opens up in front of us.
It means the scenery becomes wide and open.
The view opens up in front of us.
Next, this town preserves the feeling of the past.
This town preserves the feeling of the past.
Preserve means to keep something safe or unchanged.
Finally, this dish has a comforting taste.
Very good. These phrases are useful for many travel videos.
Today, we traveled through Oita Prefecture.
We visited hot springs, lakes, shrines, mountains, old towns, and local food.
Oita has a calm and healing feeling.
But it also has dramatic nature and deep history.
That balance makes Oita very memorable.
If you enjoyed this slow English trip, please like the video.
And please subscribe for more English travel videos from Japan.
Tell us in the comments which place in Oita you want to visit.
You can write, I want to visit Beppu Onsen.
Or, I want to try Oita local food.
Thank you very much for watching.
See you in the next slow English journey.